I mean, if you really think that the gardener is a not dangerous animal, think again. Look at this machete. Wow. It is quite sharp. Okay, it could be sharper, but for our purpose, it's enough. Welcome to the permaculture experience. Ciry just showed me that there's another spinach where the birds are attacking. You see this one here? That's spinach, and here's the bird eating and bringing the food probably to his or her children. And yeah, it's very nice, but maybe the bird will find somewhere else food. So as you see, this spot is covered, but this is not. And the reason why the birds are not coming if you have plastic is because it's moving, and if a bird sees something moving above him or her, then this scares the hell out of the bird, and the bird flies away, probably because he thinks that there's a predator. So what I will do is I will poke a pole here and over there, and then span another line and make some plastic wrappings. Okay. Go. Second pull. Now all I need is a rope. ¿Tienes una cuerda? ¿Una otra? Okay, sorry guys, I'm not prepared, but the jobs, they are just coming to me. So, there we go. Oh, and the cat is coming again. Okay. I mean, maybe that's enough for now. It should be, actually. Oh, thanks, Ciry. I mean, this plastic trick is really awesome. I never thought of it. I do know that some on the farms they have like a big standing man. I don't know if you have seen that, like the scarecrow, I think it's called. So, but this is a really easy way to scare off the birds, and you really see that it's working. I mean, there's no biting over there, which is where we had this protection for a long time, and over there we had some bird biting, and here you have one plant that's attacked. Actually here they attacked too, and here, oh yeah, they really scavenged this one over there. So I figured it's high time that we have some plastic protection. Yeah, and that's basically, there's nothing more to it than a little bit of plastic. If you have another method to scare off birds from your plantation, I would love to see your suggestions in the comments, or I mean, why not make a short video yourself so we can learn from each other. That would be, I think, really awesome. I hope this will hold. Okay, guys, thanks for joining. If you like it, show me by hitting some buttons. You can also hit the subscribe button, as you know, and if you want to donate to me, I can give you my bank account number, and you can send all the all the dollars or euros or whatever you have, you can send to me. If not, that's also fine. Then I see you in the next one. Bye.